Pontevedra, good morning, School Division of Negros Occidental. We are here today at Pontevedra National High School for the yearly Division Schools Press Conference, a celebration of truth through stories that unfold and minds that speak emotions. Keep connecting, stay connected.
Mayong student journalist. Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am Riza, for the introduction. Appreciate ko kita nga akong mentor. And until now, ginadala ko it ang value nga ginatudlo actually before sa amon, no? Si Ma'am din nagambal na dapat we have to improve more, no? So, yun, no? So, subok ROI doon. Sige. So, today we will discuss about mental health. So, usapang mental health. Ano ang kasulod sa pinsar ninyo when you hear the word mental health? Anyone? May aral na kasulod sa pinsar ninyo? Depression, di ba? Nagasupon ang word nga anxiety, depression, and suicide or any other mental issues, no? Mapabata, matigulang, or kasi even infant, no? Pwede natin ma-evaluate, no, using our different standardized tools. Okay, I will talk about symptoms. I will talk about different things, no? How to spot mental health red flags. So you have to take notes, okay? So that you can share your makuha ka mga information, no? Good luck, okay? Sige. So the question is, when Ma'am Riza actually nag-ask sa akon about to discuss no sa sining topic, wala gyud ko nang duwa because we need platform. Okay? We need a platform to reach damo nga tao. Why? Although we the population, ang palibot, no, recognize na ang need of mental health, no, or the presence of this condition, na real siya, we have to work hard to get. Why? Because we need more people na malabot ang iban pagit nga mga tao. I personally believe, in my experience in the mental health field for roughly around 10 to 11 years, I believe that educating people or education overall is our weapon to address these conditions, to address the stigma and the seriousness, no, of these disorders. Okay? So, why? Why kinanglan naton i-top ang ini nga mga butang? Let us notice the numbers. Okay? According to the World Health Organization, updated na siya, no, last 2025, it's 720,000. Please repeat. Very good kids, no? 720,000 ang mga tao nga gakapatay sa suicide every year. This is, the World Health Organization is an authority, okay, sa bilog na kalibutan when it comes to total wellness. So, if you will notice, 2025, 720,000. Last 5 years, it's not actually 720,000. It's actually 600 plus thousand. So imagine the increase of the number samtang naganakat ang panahon. Imagine, if a person has mental health struggle, medyo hindi intact ang ilang decision making. Okay? Ang mga students na may mental health issues, the decision makings are challenge. Okay? Damo iban hindi kabalo sa course, damo iban ga-shift, or iban pilion nila ang mga non-essential na mga events sa life nila. Una-unang bisyo, kaysa sa pagtuon, mga ganun. Okay? Una-unang scatter, or any mga ganun, no? Yun, and mental health condition affects ikaw as a person, your family and loved ones in the community. Because of depression or any mental health condition, bipolar, damo family nga nagabulaganay, nagaka-broken. Okay? So, yun. I would like to highlight, please highlight, hindi kailangan na depressed na to seek professional help. I've seen a fair share of teachers, yes, from DepEd, from private institutions, lawyers, nurse, na nag-seek nag-seek answers regarding their mental health conditions. So, hindi ka huluya. Okay? Sino di sa inyo ga inom maintenance? So, I will ask the mom and sir, di inom ng maintenance, amlodipine losartan, no? Or anti-diabetic naman, ano? Atong mga kids, kita na, kung ga inom sila maintenance, why is it we cannot do regular check-up, no? Sa site. When we say mental health disorder, this is a problem with mental health. It affects how the person thinks, it affects how the people feel, and it affects how you behave. Okay? Damo-damo na. These are the factors bakit ayaw nilang mag-seek ng professional help. Number one reason is walang money. Wala daw money. They are not aware of the service or the treatment options. Wala silang kabalo that the LGU can give financial assistance for their consultation. Wala silang kabalo that people with mental health disorders can be classified as persons with disabilities or PWD, and that's 20% discount. Okay? No? And because of the stigma, wala time or social support, and iban kahambal nga busy. So I've seen kids na nagakadto sa clinic nga upod ang friend and not the parents. Kay ang parent is the ultimate trigger. Kaya wala sila nilang respect, no? So very serious. And according to WHO, one person ang nagkakapatay sa suicide every 40 seconds. Imagine. Imagine the seriousness. And yet there are people na naghahambal nga ang suicide or ang depression or any mental health condition is just something na hindi tuod. Right? So kung hindi sa tuod, why ang WHO nagpagawa sa mga statistics? Because it highlights the seriousness of these conditions. Okay? Sabi ni Robin, ang mga bata ngayon, sad to say, you are weak. No? Noong panahon namin, hindi uso ang salitang depression. Ngayon, batang maliit, sasabihin at depressed. What is wrong? I would like to ask, what is something wrong with the statement of the good senator?
Sir, comparing their generation to our
Correct! It's actually the difference between generations. You know, we cannot really compare the generation of noon and the ngayon. Bakit? The gap is just too wide. Wala sila yung technology at that time. Sa aton niya, we are more educated. Or shall I say, the young people today are very expressive and they know their rights. And you know what? Ariha, this is the reality. The more people educated, the more they are vocal and the more they are open for seeking professional help. Salat ba na? So, siguro may buong comment sa page. Okay? So yun, no? So it's purely wrong, no? So our association, the Psychological Association of the Philippines, naghatag na some very good comment na it's not a sign of weakness and depression. It's actually a development that people are more educated today. Okay, the young people. Okay? So, there are actually forms of escape. There are patients na feel sense of relief the moment they will hurt ang ilang self. Why? Because the emotional pain was just too much. Okay? So they have actually, the multiple patients, no, I can say, multiple patients na naghahambal that they do self-harm or like yung galaslas, gamit blade, trigger warning po, because they find na pleasurable ang pain because it hides actually the internal struggle or the emotional pain. Imagine, no? So, amo na, no?